Additional investigation. Welcome. Omar Ahmed from CCPG. بالقدس like did you find about the gun Omar picked up at the crime scene? You have collected all the evidence you need to arrest Hamza Boussif killer Omar. Let's begin. Thomas Cox, you are under arrest for the murder of Hamza Boussif. How could you? Don't be ridiculous, Carmen. I am a journalist, not a killer. Then how do you explain that lead Inspector Omar found your fishing hook covered in the victim's blood at the crime scene? A lot of people visit the Osas to go fishing. Anyone could have lifted that hook. You know killing someone is dangerous enough, but posting a photo of the victim's dead body on a buzzer. There is no proof that account belongs to me. Besides, social media accounts get hacked all the time. Stop lying, Thomas. Lead Spectrum also found your DNA on the cigarette boots you tied at the crime scene. You are done for. Oh, alright, you got me. I killed Hamza. But it was an accident, I swear. How do you accident shoot someone in the head? I invited Hamza to the Osas to invite him about the protest movement and how far he was prepared to go to overthrow the Sultan. Hamza was shooting me after he heard both. I took it to get a feel for it when I accidentally discharged it. I panicked when I saw Hamza was dead, but then I realized that there was a silver lining. I won the Scoop of the Year by claiming that the Sultan killed him. You are dishonest, Thomas. Instead of honoring the murder, you used Hamza's death for your own valuable nose. Or lose in Carmen. We can't all have a nose for a good story like you do. Some of us have to practice our news. Well, you had better prepare a better story than that before you try. Thomas, you are under arrest. Thomas Cox, you stand accused of killing Hamza Boussif. How do you plead? Guilty, Your Honor, but I got a killer story out of it. Pun intended. You turned the death of an innocent man into a news scoop? Sure did. Your Honor, at Wolf News encourage us to be the best of the best, even if that does mean cursing stories. Well, Mr. Cox, I really don't like you or what you stand for, but since your crime wasn't permanent, the International Court hereby sentenced you to 10 years in prison. Omar, congratulations for successfully putting Thomas Cox behind bars. But we are still no closer to getting to the bottom of the ship's murder. We just know that the sword is responsible and that they have been busy until local groups to drive foreigners out of the region. And in this climate of social unrest, who knows that what someone like the sword could get up to? Our only option is to keep investigating solid.